snow angels are out. This summer, we are making popcorn angels. We are watching our favorite TV show and eating popcorn. What's that? A news broadcast interrupts the show all of a sudden. Breaking Troom news! There's been a major event. The dormant volcano on Troom Island has woken up unexpectedly. But it's not erupting with lava, it's erupting with crunchy and tasty popcorn. The next few days, it will be raining popcorn. Don't eat too much. Unbelievable! Look out the window. Popcorn is falling right from the sky. The whole city turned into a giant popcorn factory. So it means that it's time for a popcorn challenge. Yay! Ashley decided to take a shower. But today, only popcorn pours out of it. Salty, cheesy shower. You can eat and shower at the same time. I had breakfast while I was showering. The laundry is done. Oh no! My favorite popcorn sweater! It shrank and got so teeny. What do I do? Give it to a mouse? I know how to bring my sweater back to life. I'll microwave it for 3 minutes. It worked! My popcorn sweater cooked and got bigger. Plus, it's white and fluffy. I saved my favorite sweater. It's a 2-in-1.
Wow!
A comfy clothing item and a delicious snack. This is our favorite channel, Troom Okie Tokie. It's full of interesting stuff. Subscribe to Troom Okie Tokie and enjoy with us. A day in Penny's regular life. Oh no! An urgent call! This city needs a superhero! Popcorn Man will always come to the rescue! Penny, hurry up! Did someone run out of popcorn? I'll save the city! Popcorn Man will quickly fill empty boxes with fresh popcorn. Even more popcorn for everyone! Bon appetit and enjoy the movie! Hey, Popcorn Man, you are blocking the screen! Ashley can't even leave popcorn when she's on a treadmill. Whoops! Ashley tripped on her own calories. Haha! You're the athlete of the year, Ashley! But even a fall won't stop her. She'll eat popcorn while lying down, right from the treadmill. Ashley, don't stop! You can do more! What about a healthy diet? An apple is coming! And now it's time for a coconut! Can you handle this tough nut? Oh no! Dear viewers, today I'll teach you how to cook popcorn at home. Pour oil in a pot. And put in corn kernels. Turn on the stove. Cover the pot with a lid. Now we just have to wait for the kernels to turn into popcorn. I wonder if the popcorn is already done. Let's see. Whoa! It flies right out of the screen. Penny, hurry, catch it with the bucket. Great, here's my popcorn for an evening movie. Guys, let's play something. What about spin the bottle? Bruce has an idea. Let's spin a giant bottle of popcorn. The rules are very simple. Whoever the bottle lands on has to eat all the popcorn. Whoa, that's a lot. No one could eat that much popcorn. Let's start our challenge. Get ready and spin the bottle. Oh no, it lands on Ashley. Someone is about to have a huge popcorn lunch. Ashley tests her love for popcorn. It seems like this popcorn will never be over. Ashley already put on 5 pounds, but the popcorn doesn't end. Phew, I can finally see the bottom. I had enough popcorn for the next 10 years. Ashley, watch out! This is a dangerous neighborhood. There are a lot of popcorn thieves here. That's mine. Give it back. No, it's my popcorn now. Hey, thief, try my popcorn. You won't get out of this one. Oh, thanks, my hero. You are the best. And you, give me my popcorn back. Chew on your popcorn net. What an interesting movie. Oh no, Ashley's coming. I'll pretend that I'm asleep. Penny fell asleep again and she took up the whole couch. Sitting on the floor isn't comfy, but I came up with something. Put popcorn in a big trash bag and settle in. A beanbag full of popcorn is a genius and simple idea. Now that's luxury. And I can snack on the filling from my chair while I'm at it. Popcorn is always near. Even Penny wakes up. A beanbag with popcorn is a very comfortable kind of furniture for a home cinema. The girls are having a slumber party. Of course, we are talking about our celebrity crushes. What? Is that your future boyfriend? Show us! Oh yeah, he's cool! He'll be dating me! Take this! Hey, I have nothing to do with it! Here comes a pillow fight. But this isn't just a simple pillow fight. The pillows have popcorn inside. The bed turned into a popcorn battlefield. But it was a lot of fun. Do you want a midnight snack? Look out for snakes! Oh, a giant python! Nah, that's just a line of popcorn. Penny loves pranks. She made a giant popcorn python so I would get scared and stop eating at night. But she didn't know one thing. I love popcorn! Did your new shoes turn out too big? No big deal. Popcorn will help you out. Put some popcorn in the tip of your shoe. Now it fits like a glove. Hi, Ashley. Have some popcorn. No, thanks. I always have some popcorn on hand. Oh, I mean on foot. Want some? No, thanks. Eat your popcorn yourself, Cinderella. We love jumping on the trampoline. Yay! It's so much fun. Phew, let's lie down. I'm tired. Do you want to snack on some popcorn? Sure, I love it. Penny remembers that Ashley attacked her with a popcorn pillow. This is a great chance to pay her back. Let's turn this trampoline into a big dish of popcorn. Yay! Now popcorn jumps on the trampoline with us. Popcorn trampoline is a new kind of sport. It's summer outside, but we are having a real popcorn winter. Who will build the biggest popcorn man? The more popcorn, the better. Don't forget about a scarf and a hat so our new friend doesn't get cold. This Olaf is made out of popcorn and he loves corn hugs. Yummy! Movie time! I'll spend it with my favorite watermelon popcorn. Cut the top off of a big watermelon. Take out the flesh. Cook popcorn in a microwave. Add red food coloring to it. And put it into the watermelon cup. It's so crunchy! Oh my goodness! A watermelon ghost scares Christy. I know who's hiding there. Take that, Ben! Did you like our popcorn challenge? Then comment below what you'd do with popcorn. Make a beanbag chair, a sweater, or a popcorn man? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new fun challenges from Troom.